All right, guys, back on the Ram 5500. As you can see, it's all put back together. Everything is on. Coolant is pretty much full. Everything is on, you guys. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you inside. This is first startup. So as you can see, I already got my diesel laptop on there. It's a diesel laptop that I just bought recently. I didn't have it when I did the F750, or else I would have been able to calibrate that actuator. Unfortunately, I got it after that F750. I've been meaning to buy it for a while and finally grew the cojones to buy it, but I had a different scanner for the smaller ones. Now I'm stepping up to the bigger vehicles too. Even though I've done them all my life, I didn't want to do them. Now I will. Regardless, nonetheless, let me go ahead and get started on this, and let me show you. There we are. Okay, so far no check engine light. As you can see, the ABS is going crazy. I believe that's because possibly, let me go look at it real quick. All right, everything is good here. It's hooked up. Not too sure why that ABS light is on, but it's most likely because the vehicle's up and these have turned while the key was on. Everything sounds good so far. There it goes. Doesn't look like anything is leaking underneath right now, so let me go ahead and let it run for a while. Let me see if there's any fault codes in here. Let's check it out. So as you can see, let's see if there's any faults. No faults. Everything looks good thus far. All right, let me go ahead and finish everything up. The check engine light isn't on. I'm gonna see what's going on with this here ABS light being on or whatnot. There it goes. All right, no codes, no nothing, no turbo actuation, no more uniform 010 Charlie or U010C code up here, which was loss of communication with the VGT actuator slash module or whatnot. So I'm gonna go ahead and just let it run for a little bit. I'm gonna let the cooling system do its thing, and then I'm gonna take it out for a test drive, and I'll show you guys on the test drive how everything's going. All right, guys, see you in a bit. Be safe.